Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? Happy Cast Iron Wednesday. It's actually Saturday. Right now I'm prepping my lunch, so I thought I'd go ahead and enter this video. I'm going to be doing a Oreo bacon cheeseburger, which I put on my community tab, and people said, yeah, go for it. So I'm going to do that, because it sounds really weird. Right now I'm just prepping my lunch for tomorrow, because I'm working overtime, 12 hours. I'm just boiling some pasta. I'm going to do some meatballs and marinara with pasta. Something simple. Nothing too complicated. So once that's done, I'm going to jump right to cooking my possibly horrendous burger. But it might actually be good. Who knows? I'm going to do it though. I have to. So. Just a quick shot. So they get done prepping my meal. I'll get to the burger. Yeah, I was gonna say too, rather than spending the money on lunch every day or getting DoorDash, which can add up, just cook something simple. All right, got my lunch all prepped up. Little meatballs and marinara. I'll just throw them right in the refrigerator. I get these containers at a restaurant supply store, and then I just nuke them in the microwave, and I just throw them away when I'm done, so I don't have to wash any dishes. It's pretty money. Now I've got some bacon cooking. Once my bacon is done, I'm gonna get the cast iron out and get my burgers pressed. I think my burner was like stuck on high, so I had to turn it down, but now it's like, I don't know, weird. Alright. Got my burgers formed. So I'm going to smash these. Before I can smash them, need a little salt. Damn it. Smashing them when they're raw doesn't push out all the juice. It's only when you cook them, when you smash them after they're cooked, then you're pushing the juice out. So, yeah, smash burgers. Not fully smashed. Give these guys a flip. Alright, I'm going to dope the bun, which means prep the bun. And I'm only going to put mustard and ketchup on one. Because basically these are my dinner. I'm making a bacon cheeseburger for dinner. I'm just going to put the Oreos on one of them. So I'm going to make the other one regular. With, dress it up the way I like it. Bacon, cheese, burger. And this one will be for the Oreo cookie, which I have Oreos right here. And I'm going to use American cheese. Because American cheese is just classic. Alright, give these guys a flip. We're going to cheese them. I don't mind if my meat's a little pink. It's actually kind of preferred. There we go. Alright. We have melted cheese meltage. This one's going to be for the Oreo. This one's going to be for the regular. Kill the heat. Get my bacon on here. Because, bacon. It's king of meats. Alright, get you in nice and close. Let's and so what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to cut this guy in half. I'm gonna put Oreos on half the burger. So there we go, Oreo cookie. Maybe not swimming with Oreos, but I'm gonna pause for a quick photograph and then we'll be right. Alright. Here we go. I'm having some second thoughts, but wow. That is that's really weird. You got the Oreo, the filling in there too. I'll say this, as weird as it is, it's not totally terrible. I don't know if I'd do it all the time, but alright, well. Am I going to put the Oreo on the other half? Probably not. I'm just going to eat it straight. Or at least I tried it. It's certainly weird. Especially when you get the creamy the filling in there. Yeah. Well, that was weird as hell, but not completely terrible. As always, I thank you all for watching. Don't forget to check the description for links and whatnot, and catch you on the next one. Have a great day.